It's 12 degrees right now in the Dayton area, but this time yesterday it was much, much colder.
Exactly, yeah. So that wind chill advisory did just get canceled. Not because the wind chills won't be below zero. They will, but there's a specific criteria for how low they should be to get that advisory. So that's why that was dropped by the National Weather Service. But looking at yesterday morning, these are the air temperature readings that we had yesterday. We were at 9 below zero in Wapakoneta yesterday, 7 below in Mechanicsburg, 6 below in Springfield, 5 below zero in Brookville, and at the Dayton International Airport, 4 below. So the air itself was a lot colder yesterday. Our winds have shifted this morning, so this southeasterly breeze is why we're up into the teens, but it's still enough wind that the wind chill value is below zero this morning. So you do want to make sure you're still preparing the kids here for a very cold start to the day. If you work outside, you still need all the layers for the early morning. It's 10 degrees right now in Troy, 12 in Xenia, and 11 in Eaton. Looking at our wind chill right now, it feels like it's 3 below in Greenville, 4 below zero in Wapakoneta, and 6 below zero in Springfield. So there's still a bite in the air when you step outside this morning. Don't want to ignore that. But the good news is going through the day, we actually steadily climb and get warmer and warmer. Even into the night tonight, we'll see temperatures continue to rise. So we do have some slick spots out there this morning. Anything left untreated. We had a little bit of snow melt yesterday, so that also could give us a few fresh slick spots. So just be careful here early. But we are dry and we'll have that snow melting throughout the day today, since temperatures will be able to climb above freezing. The big picture does show a little bit of cloud cover moving in this morning. That helps us out with temperatures. That kind of keeps us warmer to have cloud cover at night. Live Doppler 7 radar is scanning the skies. We're dry for now, which is good news. You actually get most of your day with dry, quiet conditions. After school temperatures, 34 degrees in Bell Fountain and Tip City, 36 in Huber Heights and Springfield, will be around 38 in Miamisburg. Our projected wind chills stay below zero for the next couple of hours, but by lunchtime they improve to the teens, and then the rest of the day, not really a factor for us since we will be able to warm up. We should be around 38 degrees as we head through the overnight hours, but rain and gusty winds build in tonight, and they last with us through most of the day tomorrow. So our weather impacts, as we see this quick front coming through, we'll have steady rainfall Tuesday night through most of the day on Wednesday. That means melting snow will be possible, and that could lead to a little bit of minor flooding when we have not only fresh rain, but also melting all the snow that's in your yard. So soggy yards, some flooding we may notice in fields, and we will watch our river levels as well over the next day or so. Futurecast keeps scattered clouds around, but you can see your drive home is completely dry. Once we head into the evening, we do start to see these showers return. Even though the air temperature will be well above freezing at that point, because we have some snow on the ground, I wouldn't rule out we might get a few slick spots as this begins, but overnight, all of this rain will wash that snow away. So when you're waking up tomorrow morning, it is going to be a very soggy drive. We will likely have ponding on the roads as well. And tomorrow, we hit 42 degrees. That will occur early in the day. We get colder towards the evening, and that could trigger a few flurries then for the second half of Wednesday. But you can see here's 7 a.m. That commute soggy, still tracking some scattered rain showers at lunch. And then you see a few of these light flurries kind of try to cut in here as we head into Wednesday night. Not expecting anything too heavy with the chance for light snow tonight, or excuse me, tomorrow night, but it will just be something to monitor. Some flurries develop then on Thursday. You can see we are right back to the cold for the rest of the week. We'll wake up Friday morning in the single digits. We bring you weather and traffic every 10 minutes. Let's check in now with Sergeant Mark. Good morning, Sarge.
And good morning to you, Kirsty. Well, we've had a good start to the morning drive, much better driving conditions this morning. We're going to check in with Traffic Tracker and get a look at the freeway system along Interstate 75 right now. Our freeway system looks good on this part of the freeway. It's been pretty quiet as far as any accidents or other issues. I'm Sergeant Mark Bowery, WHIO Team Traffic.
Sergeant, thank you. 521 now, 12 degrees. The Cincinnati Bengals will be making a trip overseas next year. Who they'll be playing and where coming up. A new study about children and concussions yields surprising results. Why it could take some kids longer to recover.